And yes, guys, we got a new casting, which is GREATBITE, guys. I like this casting a lot. Sharks vs. Dinos. This is Team Shark, of course. New for 2025, guys. Team Shark, it says on top. Obviously, because it's a shark. Of course, the back of it. Name, GREATBITE, truck type creature, strength, Jawsome Beast, crash attack, ultimate champion. Instead of like champion. Sponsors in the back. I honestly love this casting. It's cool in person. It's really nice. Look at that, the render in the back. Ooh, here it is, guys. In-hand review. Not first on YouTube, but people have found it. It says GREATBITE, dark blue rims and beadlocks, dark blue roll cage. It looks like the Barbie roll cage, but I love the look at the teeth on that. That's so cool. Looks like they open, but they don't, which is cool. I like that 3D effect. GREATBITE in the front with a chrome windshield. Those monster trucks, guys, and plastic spoiler in the back. More chrome. This is so cool. I love this one. Blue chassis, Hot Wheels on the tires. Real awesome, guys. I love the fin. This is so cool. I bet in the future they're going to make more colors of this. I have a feeling. Like, subscribe, comment, share your guys more videos coming soon. Peace out. Hope you all enjoyed.